A lot of people want to create ads, create offers, promote affiliate offers on Facebook, but they just don't know which product is going to work the best. They don't know which product is going to convert. They don't know which product is going to give them good response. Hi, in this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can check whether a product is going to be profitable for you or not, and whether it is worth your time promoting that affiliate offer on Facebook. Now, whether you're doing it with free traffic or paid traffic, Facebook Ads Manager, I'm going to show you how you can check if a product is working or not, if a product is going to be profitable or not, if a product is going to be worth your time checking out to see if it's going to convert for you and bring in some traffic and potential sales for you. I'm going to show you how to check this, how to find out, to see whether other people are promoting or not, and then how you can go out there, create a carbon copy, okay, in a different version by spinning the ad and then creating your own version and posting it on Facebook to get free traffic or paid traffic. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so I'm on Clickbank right now. Okay, so I came to the Clickbank marketplace. Now, if you don't know about Clickbank, Clickbank is a digital marketplace and they have daily purchases of 300,000 plus daily transactions. Okay, over 190 countries. Okay, they have over 2,000 plus products on the marketplace. Okay, most of them are digital and when it comes to commissions, you can see that they have paid out a lot of money to their affiliates. I guess this includes the vendors as well, I see. Okay, so you can see here daily transaction is 300,000 plus. It's a very good marketplace that you can choose a product. So I have come to Clickbank. I'm on the Clickbank marketplace. I went to e-business, e-marketing, okay? And when you just click on any kind of category without sorting the results out, you will just spill out products based on, I guess, gravity. All right. So I just came to this second product here. Okay. It's a product that creates animated videos and animated images. Okay. And it's called the Instadoodle. You could check out the link. Everyone needs this product. Okay. This product is a very general product, not just related to people who are in the affiliate marketing space, but actually this can be useful for anyone, because anyone who wants to create a video, animated videos, they will definitely want to check this out. Okay, so first of all, you want to go to the sales page to see if the product is still available, and I can see yes, the product is still available. Okay, you can see here what this product is all about. Okay, it's all about Instadoodle. Okay, it gives you a software that can create these animated videos for you. Okay, so let me just pause that. Okay, so it looks like a very, very good product to me, because looking at the sales page is just attracting my attention, and definitely if I was someone that was looking for something like this, I would definitely purchase this product. Okay, you could go to the affiliate page as well, check out the affiliate resources. They have all the affiliate tools, so it's a win-win situation. Okay, they're giving you everything for you to promote their product, so, and they're paying up to 50% commission. So you can see here, videos created using this software is 8,721, image generated is 94,000, and templates 20 plus templates. Okay, so I want to promote this product, but if I want to promote this product on Facebook, I need to first check whether someone else is promoting this product. If I see a lot of people promoting this product, it just means that this product is working good, converting good, and is something worth promoting. Now, there's two ways to promote a product on Facebook. One is the paid traffic, which is called the Facebook Ads Manager. You could use that. You could create campaigns, and I will be coming up with future videos showing you exactly step by step how to create campaigns, how to create powerful ads to promote affiliate offers. Okay, the other way of doing Facebook is free traffic. Okay, I've already spoke about one or two methods of doing free traffic. You can watch my videos. I've already spoke about those free traffic methods, but in my future video, I'm going to show you some more powerful ways to generate free traffic. But first, in this video, the focus is whether it is worth promoting a product. Not every product is equal. A lot of people decide to promote products on Facebook or any other traffic source, but the problem is not the product itself. Okay, the product seems to be good. Okay, so the sales page is there, the affiliate page is there, ranking is there, the gravity is there, Clickbank is saying it's a very good product, but that product is not converting on that main traffic source. So for that purpose, you need to first not just look at the product itself, whether it's a good product or not, but at the same time, you need to look at the traffic source as well, whether this product is going to be a good fit for this traffic source. And if you watch some of my previous videos, I have shared this type of details and analysis with certain products with another traffic source as well. Okay, so it's not all about the product itself. Sometimes it's the traffic source itself as well. Some product convert very good with one traffic, but doesn't convert with another traffic. Now, just for example, let me give you an example. If you're going to promote this product here, this Clickbank product called Instadoodle on Facebook, just say you generate sales. Okay, just because you're generating sales with Instadoodle on Facebook, whether it's free traffic or paid traffic, does not mean that this product is going to make you money using Google traffic, using Bing traffic, using media buys, using PPV and PPC traffic. Doesn't mean that. Okay, just because one product is working very good and converting with one traffic source does not mean that it's going to convert with other traffic sources. So you need to keep that in mind. So what we want to do here is we want to find out if this product is going to be worth promoting on Facebook. Okay, so I could see here, here's the affiliate page. They are giving me everything for me to promote this product. I could see here that the sales page is looking absolutely good and phenomenal. All right, and I want to promote this product now. So to promote this product, first of all, I want to check if it's going to be worth promoting. So when I look at Clickbank, Clickbank is giving me all these data down here saying that this product is very, very good. Okay, you can see the gravity is 23, the ranking is 142. Okay, EPC is 0.70, it's a bit less, okay, compared to other products, but this is based on the total traffic. Okay, so you should know that if there's affiliates promoting one product, like just say there's about 10,000 affiliates, probably only 500 affiliates are generating all the sales. The other 9,500 affiliates are not probably making any money. Okay, and then from those 500 affiliates that are generating sales, probably only 100 of those affiliates are getting traffic from very top traffic sources. Okay, which requires minimum effort, very less traffic, conversions are high. The other 400 affiliates are probably driving a lot of traffic, but and the conversions are coming in after a huge volume. So because of that, this EPC can go down. Okay, so let me give you an example. Just say one affiliate drives 100 visitors and he's making 5 sales. Okay, 5 sales per 100 visitors. On the other side, there's another affiliate. He's driving up to 1,000 visitors and he's only making 1 sale per 1,000 visitors. So all this is counted in total, and in combination, because of this, the EPC can go down. So that's why don't put yourself off by looking at the EPC, because the EPC counts for the total volume of traffic is good. That will include those 9,500 affiliates who are driving traffic too, who's not making sales. Okay, so you have to look at all of that as well. So it's not just about the affiliates that are making money, it's about those total traffic volume that's coming to this product, and after that, whatever's counted. So if Clickbank started to count this based on the affiliates are generating sales, I guess this EPC would be high, like it would be like $2, $3, $4, $5 EPC. Okay, but because it's counting the total volume of traffic, which includes those hundreds of affiliates who are promoting the product using low quality traffic source but not making any money, so that's why the EPC is very low. So everything is looking good on my side from Clickbank. But is it going to be good for me to promote this product on Facebook? So let's just check that out. So first of all, what you want to do, you want to go to Facebook and you want to go to the ad library. Okay, you want to go to ad library. Very, very important. This is where you're going to spy to see if anyone's promoting this product. Okay, you want to go to the ad category and you want to select all ads. Down here, you want to put in the product name. Okay, Instadoodle. Okay, and let's just see if we can find something. Okay, now if people are promoting the product, it just gives a basic idea that this is worth promoting. Okay, so let's just check this out. So check this out. Look at this. Look at this. People are promoting this product here. Check this out. I can see so many ads. Check this out. Okay. 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. 17. Okay, so look, Facebook is giving me all the information about these ads. Okay, check this out. Okay, sponsored ads, sponsored. Okay, check this out. All right, it's giving me all the ads. It's giving me the images as well that people are using to promote this product. Okay, so check this out. May 9, start running on May 9, 26. Okay. We can see here Instadoodle active. Okay, so you could see here that I can see that this product is, people are using this product to drive some traffic to this product, okay, and make money. Okay, now this gives us an idea that this product is worth promoting on Facebook. Paid traffic, definitely. Okay, free traffic, you're not losing anything, so give it a try. Okay, paid traffic, definite, because we can see other people doing it and people promoting it, and no one's going to run an ad to an offer if the offer doesn't have good conversions or not making any sales. Okay, so it's definitely worth creating an ad, a paid traffic campaign with Facebook promoting this offer. Now, if you're not familiar with Facebook ads, stay tuned, because I will be coming up with videos showing you step by step how to create powerful Facebook ads campaign. Okay, but this analysis and this insight gives us a bit of details and gives us a hope, okay, that this product is worth promoting using Facebook ads. Free traffic, you're not losing anything with free traffic, so you could just give it a test drive, and I've already shared how to do Facebook free traffic in my previous videos by either creating a campaign on your Facebook timeline, Facebook story, or Facebook groups. Okay, there are some more ways to get free traffic using Facebook, and I will be coming up with that. So this is how you check whether a product is going to be profitable for you to promote and create a paid traffic campaign on Facebook before even deciding whether the product is going to be profitable or not. So go into Facebook ad library, play around with it, check some products out, see what people are promoting, so, and then you could get an idea. Okay, so you can see here, if you're going to create a Facebook traffic campaign with the same product, what you can do is you could check one of these here. Okay, take this whole thing, put it into ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT, hey, create me a similar ad, just like it, even better than this, something like that, and ChatGPT is going to spill out a whole ad for you that you can use to promote this product on Facebook. Okay, it's that easy. So this is how you check the insider secret of Clickbank offers on Facebook.